we are going to learn how to make a letter for several people with the same content, but some details should be different, as the data in this Excel file. As you can see, there is so many details to fill in that Word file. So first we need to save and close Excel, and open Word, which we made already. Go to Mailings tab, and click Select Recipients, and then click on Use an existing list. From this dialog box, you need to find your Excel file. Select the sheet which contains the data. The first row we can set it off. Place the cursor where we need name, then select Insert Merge field. From the drop-down list, select Name. Do the same for address also. Now we completed. Now select Finish and Merge, then edit individual documents. From this dialog box, we can select all rows of the Excel file, or the selected one. Now I am going for first to 19th row of my data. Then click OK. Now the letters are ready, with 19 separate pages. All the selected data populated correctly. Now we can save it to the preferred format like PDF, docs, etc. So this is my today's video. I hope you like this. See you with next video. Bye.